Tallinn, a medieval city still standing, and you're speed walking past it in a raincoat, chasing a flag on a stick. Group tours rush you past the medieval walls, past the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, reciting dates while the city's real stories slip by unheard. Uvamai's Tallinn self-guided audio tour hands you 15 of the city's most fascinating stops, medieval streets, Soviet-era landmarks, hidden cultural gems, with expert narration revealing what guidebooks leave out. $6. Your access link arrives straight to your inbox. An audio guide and interactive map, ready whenever you are. Wander the UNESCO-listed cobblestones of Old Town. Climb Tumpia Hill for panoramic views over the Baltic. Uncover Soviet-era secrets few visitors ever hear about. Step into Kadriorg's palace grounds and slip through hidden passages known only to those who look closer. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Tallinn, not just photograph it. $6. 15 Tallinn landmarks, your story of the city. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.